welcome to our kitchen. My name is Chef Shirley.
And this is little Chef Tatiana.
Today, little Chef Tatiana and I will show you how to make some delicious breakfast yogurt cups. That's right, and you only need 3 ingredients. Some yogurt, your favorite fruit, and 1 granola bar. So, are you ready?
Yes!
Alright, so let's wash our hands and make some delicious breakfast yogurt cups.
So we will be using some strawberry yogurt, some cut up strawberries and some cut up pineapples and 1 granola bar. Let's get started. Step 1. All you need to do is cut your granola bar into smaller bite-sized pieces. Step 2. Let's put the breakfast yogurt cups all together. I'm starting with some yogurt, a few pieces of that granola bar, some fruit, more yogurt, more granola bar, more fruit. Continue layering until your cup is completely full. Then top with some fruit and more granola bars.
All done. Here it is, delicious and nutritious breakfast yogurt cups. Let's give it a try.
So yummy!
Well, you heard it's so yummy. It's a definite must try. Well, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.